This case is from the urban environmental pollution. From that first, the name of the topic is sanitization and waste disposal, but this case is popularly known as Ratlam municipality. And the question is also asked in such a way that what is about the write a note on Ratlam municipality. Case is about sanitization and waste disposal. Sanitation means about the public health conditions related to clean drinking water and adequate treatment and disposal of human excreta and sewage. This case is filed by MC Mehta in the court against Union of India, the Ratlam municipality. This case is known as Environment Journey started by MC Mehta. In the case, the dumping grounds were made by taking the permission from municipal corporation. Ratlam municipality started to throw garbage on an area where people were living. Means garbage was thrown on the people were living. Means it was not thrown on dumping grounds. But that area was not actually a dumping ground. But Ratlam municipality said that these people came after when after throwing or when they started to throw this garbage. Municipality said that these people came here to live by their own choice, means in dumping ground. Residents have moved to this polluted area with their own choice. Actually, municipality started to throw garbage in residential area by saying that it was a dumping ground. Means actually the truth was that the ground was of residential ground, but the municipality said that it is a dumping ground. This case is related to the right to life, and near dumping ground it is not possible to live because various gases diseases may occur which are harmful to our health. The municipal corporation started blaming to people that why people have moved to dumping ground, but people said that they were already living there and it was a residential area. Justice Krishna Iyer delivered that it is a responsibility of municipal corporation to deliver a healthy and clean environment to the people. Decency and dignity should be there towards people. The learned judge issued serious warning to municipal authorities to either act or face the penalty of a law as the wages of violation in the punishment, corporate and personal. The case focuses on Ratlam municipality should take care of local people and should provide a healthy and a clean air to the residents, as it is the responsibility of municipal people to maintain sanitation and cleanliness.